In this video, I'm going to show you how to split screen on Google Chrome in just a few seconds, so you can view 2 pages at once and work much faster. This is super helpful if you want to compare information, follow along with the tutorial, take notes while watching a video, or keep one tab open while you work in another. If this video helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and make sure you already have at least 2 tabs open. This is important because the split view feature works when you have multiple tabs ready to use. Once your tabs are open, look at the tab you want to move to the side. Right-click on that tab to bring up the menu. When the menu appears, look for the option that says New Split View with Current Tab and click it. As soon as you select that option, Chrome will place your current tab into a split view layout. From there, you'll be able to see 2 pages side by side, making it much easier to multitask without constantly switching back and forth between tabs. If you want, you can continue browsing in either side of the split screen just like normal. This is a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in your workflow, especially if you use Chrome every day for work, school, or research. And that's how you split screen on Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tech tip like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.